Excuse my hair, you guys. I'm trying to let my hair grow back, and I'll share with y'all in another video or at a later time what I'm trying to do, but I'm trying to grow my hair back. I got a little baby bun back there, but y'all know we all a part of this quarantine life. It is what it is. But anyway, so I have a client to service this morning. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I'm not gonna show the entire servicing because I'm actually gonna do a video on it. So yeah, and FYI, I know what's going on, you guys, and I am being careful, but I want to let you know I'm only servicing pre-existing clients. These are clients that I've been servicing for quite some time, and I'm not taking on any new clients. The only thing that I have been doing, which has really been good for my business, is doing like those move-in cleans. I've been working with different people that's working on housing projects and stuff like that, and once they get through doing like the renovation stuff like that, they'll call me to do the move-in cleans for them. So that's a really big plus. And so I'm really trying to scout a lot of those, more of those opportunities versus the residential. So yeah, I'm trying to scout more opportunities with property managers or builders, so that I can work on houses where I don't really have to go into any new clients' houses, just do those move out and move in cleans, which is really cost effective. So yeah, but anyway, so the next time you guys will see me, probably by the time I get to my client's house. All right, y'all, I'm at my client's house. I'm about to get started on her cleaning. I had to go in there and do a general walkthrough to ensure, you know, just to do my walkthrough to see what all I got to do, which was she did pretty good this time. Load my vehicle to get all my stuff out, do her cleaning, and I'll see you guys in the next one. left that client's house, and then while I was there, I got a call about helping out with the move-in clean, and basically all that they want me to do is to vacuum the entire place. I think it's like a 3-bedroom townhouse, 2 or 3 bedroom townhouse. They just want me to vacuum the top and the bottom floor, the first and second floor, the stairs, and I think they want me to just do some kind of surface cleaning or whatever. And the surface clean is probably like wiping down the countertops and stuff like that. I'm probably not gonna film that only because I have not been to this property before. And on top of that, it takes so much time, y'all. Like, for real. Like, that job I just got through doing, I did film it, and it takes so much time when I'm trying to film and do a cleaning. And that's why I get a lot of requests from you guys asking to see more of my my actual cleaning service videos, and I try to do them the best of my ability. But you guys, it takes up so much time because I am on a time, like I'm on a time schedule. So it's really kind of difficult for me to fulfill those requests because you guys, I'm telling you, trying to film and do a place is not easy. I'm gonna go home, sit down for a second because I have to eat something. I have to eat something. And then, so I'll see you guys in the next clip. So basically, guys, when I get through doing my jobs, I like to go ahead and unload my truck because it's just so much more convenient to unload it and take the stuff in the house versus waiting forever or to the next day. This is my awesome little wagon. Well, not wagon, my cart I got from Amazon, and I like to use this to like haul my supplies in, like cleaning supplies, or if I have certain kind of dust mops or brooms. But this is a lifesaver, you guys, I'm telling you. Okay, you guys, let me get my little back here. This baby right here saved me so much trouble. You guys, get you a shop vac. You guys, it is so much better than a vacuum cleaner. Honestly, when you're in this business, you definitely need to have you a shop vac. I think this one holds maybe 5 gallons, I'm not sure, but definitely get you one of these. This is what I use to vacuum my clients' carpets, and it is amazing. Get you a shop vac if you're in the cleaning business now. Very, very handy. With having your shop vac, you want to keep an extension cord with you at all time, because the one that I have, it's not long at all. The footage on it is not long at all. So I had to get me, I think it's a 25-foot extension cord. It probably was like $10 at Walmart. But definitely invest in you an extension cord, because the shop vacs are very good, but the one that I have, the cord is not long, so I have to use an extension cord. Essential to have when you're doing the cleaning is to have you like a little waste basket or a waste can, and that way, like when you're doing your jobs and stuff, at the end of the job, you can simply just empty it out, throw away your trash. But it's so convenient, especially since I have my car. I don't have to worry about going back and forth or carrying the little trash bag with me. I have my waste basket, so it makes it so much easier. Like if I'm cleaning glass, I'm using my paper towels, I just dump my paper towels in here and it's good to go, and I'm good to go. So, and definitely invest in a waste basket. All right, you guys, we are at home. Now it's time to clean his body and to eat. By far, my excitement for the day. Yes, I'm so ready for my food. The food that I got some mixed vegetables. Y'all can eat this by myself. And I also got some bourbon chicken. I don't have to have the bourbon chicken, but oh my God, I'm going to devour these. And I got 2 egg rolls. So yes, I am about to tear this up. Delicious. All right, good morning, you guys. It is the next day. Today, we're gonna take this so-called desk area of mine, and we're gonna move it downstairs because I'm actually take one of the bedrooms downstairs and making it to my office area. And so I want to get this stuff downstairs and get it out of my bedroom because I'm so tired of looking at it, you guys. So we're gonna take this downstairs, and also I'm gonna be sharing this space with my daughter because she actually makes professional wigs. So we're gonna share. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit how it's gonna be set up. Then I need to run to Michael's because there's some letters that's mentioned, and I'll show you guys those when we get downstairs. But let's go ahead and get this stuff moved and out of here. Okay, y'all, this is what it currently looks like, and I definitely do not like it. I don't like it at all. And I think I definitely gonna get a stand for my printer, because the cords being out in the front, it's just not cute to me. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that little lamp or whatever. I may take the lamp and put it on this side. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but this doesn't, I don't like the way it's set up. But right now it's down here, that's the main thing, and we'll figure out how to sort everything later. I definitely want to get something for her area so it can be more organized, and I wanted my desk to be right here, but I don't want these cords and stuff out. And this is just a folding table. It's really temporary until I get the desk that I'm really gonna have. But I'm definitely, I think I'm gonna get a stand for this printer. The printer's not gonna be on the desk at all. And so I need to figure out some other kind of lighting at my desk. I just don't like the cords being out in the front like that. I think that's very unattractive. So yeah, and here's my merch. This is gonna be a separate project by itself. Like I said, I got the tubs and stuff, and I'll go in more detail, but I think I'm gonna make a separate video about that. But yeah. All right, you guys, I'm in a dilemma because I'm about to go ahead and spray paint either 2 letters in red or 3 letters in red. And I am in a dilemma because I don't know how I really want to do it. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm in the garage and I want to go ahead and spray this so it can dry at least overnight. I don't know how long it's gonna take. And then I can go ahead and probably hang this up tomorrow. Decisions. All right, you guys. You can see I went with the 3 letters, so I think that'll be better. So, plus I got some opinion from my family members. But the 3 letters it is, you guys, as you can see. Yeah, I think that's gonna be beautiful.